everyone, I'm back with another video today for you. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna blow dry my hair with this lovely Revlon. So you guys know the deal with the Revlon, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna blow dry it. Okay, so follow along and I'll get started. So you'll need a rat tail comb, you'll need heat protectant, and the Revlon hair dryer, and patience. That's what you will need. And also a hairband, like so. On my wrist I have. So I had washed my hair last night, but I didn't bother to blow dry my hair just because I didn't feel like it. So I'm just gonna spritz some on my hand of the heat protectant and then spread it throughout my hair. I just need it to stretch my hair because, like, in the roots my hair is more like, what's the word for it? Wait for me as I turn it on. Alright, sorry, technical difficulty. So now I'm gonna turn it on. I use a 1. I've used on a dry air, and I'm gonna use it on 1 because I just wanted to, like, you know, look more straight. So I'm gonna use a level 1. I don't usually use level 2 because it's too much heat, but yeah, I'll use a level 1 today. That's a level 1. How straight it is. So that's my hair. So I'm gonna braid it up so that I haven't blow dried my hair and when my hair is dry. So my hair is dry, but it's not like straightened out. It's like I didn't do anything to, like, I didn't add any moisturizer to my hair. I just washed it and then put it in a ponytail. That's pretty much it. So, like, now when I run it over with a blow dryer, it gives it a straight look, so which I like. So I think I'm gonna incorporate it into my daily routine. Well, my daily hair routine, because I see that I think it's also less heat damage also, because when you are blow drying your hair on when your hair is wet, you know, you put in more heat on your hair until it dries out. So what about if you wait until your hair dries and then you run the blow dryer over it. I think it's more effective. So I'm learning what is going. Like I'm liking how it's working. See, my hair straight, it's stretched out. So it's basically to stretch it out. See? All right. So this is the last piece. So I just did that. I'm just gonna twist my hair for now. So after I twist my hair, I'm going to undo my hair. I'm gonna unbraid my hair to show you the real stretch of my hair. And this is a raw video. This took 41 minutes and 40 seconds. I'm sorry, 31 minutes and 40 seconds to do all of my hair. So now I'm gonna unbraid my hair. I'm gonna unbraid my hair and show you how it looks once it's stretched. You'll see the real difference. And it was quick, you know, 31 minutes. Oh, basically 32 minutes to do to blow dry all of my hair. Alright guys, this is the blow dry look. See? Simple and easy. And you part it however you want it. I think I like it this way. Like that. However you want it. You style however you wish. But for me, the main thing is for my hair to be blow dried, you know? So I'll figure that out, what I'll do with it. I'll style my hair however I figure it out with. What am I trying to say? But yeah, I'll figure out how I'll style my hair. But look at that. This is your Revlon. I'm loving it. I'm loving Revlon. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe and like this video and leave me a comment on what you think of this product. I'm loving it. Do you have this product? Do you have any Revlon product? Do you have any Revlon recommendation I should get? But yeah, but at least this one and the other hair dryer, the other one broke. That's why I ended up getting this blow dryer. It's a different kind. This one is with a brush. The other one is just, it doesn't have a brush. So yeah, Revlon, you're doing your thing. And yeah, so hope you guys have a wonderful day, and till next time, take care.